Welcome. If you want to change the log method in your OPPO A72, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down, go for the fingerprint, face and the password, tap on the lock screen password, and currently we got the password as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right now we can change it, so enter our old password one more time, and right now we can change the password, right? But also we can change the log method. So click here, and I think that we can pick the pattern code. So drop the pattern and drop it one more time. Right now we can check how it works, and as you can see right now pattern is required. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!